है मेरा पाक वतन रहनुमाए ज़ौक़े नज़र, है मेरा पाक वतन रहनुमाए ज़ौक़े नज़र, नकीबे रस्म मोहब्बत है मेरा पाक वतन। दिखा रहा है कई रंग अपनी धरती के, दिखा रहा है कई रंग अपनी धरती के, दिखा रहा है कई रंग अपनी धरती के, सफ़ीरे हुस्ने सकाफत है मेरा पाक वतन।
क्लैप्स, बहुत अच्छा जी, जबरदस्त।
तो मेरी दुआ है कि पाक वतन इसी तरह दिन दुगनी रात चौगनी तरक्की करे।
शिराज साहब से हम दरख्वास्त करते हैं, he is requested to come on the stage and give briefing about give introduction, please. Clap for Mr. Shiraz, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to all of you for MediaCom. MediaCom, as everyone knows, is a fiber optic cable network covering approximately 95% area of the city. And now, after having a huge and remarkable establishment in our city, MediaCom has recently launched a new service for its fellow citizens, and this service is MCC. What is MCC? MCC is MediaCom Club Card, which is in fact a discount card that you can use on visiting at any of our selected outlets such as Dunkin' Donuts, D-Shoes, Denkom Online, Devil X Beauty Clinic, Rahman Jewelers, Lasani Restaurant, Opal One, and so many more. They are currently about 36 in numbers, but on extreme public demand, we're looking forward to add some new and exciting outlets for you, and very soon you'll be able to access them too. In fact, our efforts are to let more and more people take advantage of this golden opportunity as possible. The service of this card is now limited to the provision of discount only, but once on becoming a member, you can win a bumper prize of 100,000 rupees each month through lucky draw. And for couples, 2-day stay in northern areas and 1-night dinner at any restaurant in our city. In addition to this, you can also win a free cable connection for 3 months without any registration fee. And most importantly, you can run 12 scrolling tickets on our Info Classified channel for free as per ticket per month. This is not all, but you can also win a chance to become the MediaCom Family of the Week. In other words, you can win a chance to be shooted with the eye of camera in your house with your family and can be invited as our honored guest in the MediaCom function that is held here in Serena Hotel each month. One last and exciting feature that I can't wait to tell you is that if you're hiding some special talent in you and you've kept it buried for years, then now is a chance to reveal it only on Pak Watan Television, which is the first local TV station of our city, Faisalabad. So ladies and gentlemen, all these facilities and opportunities you can avail by becoming our MCC member, the price of which is just Rs 999. And that's what we call facility and enjoyment in just one package. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Shiraz. Mr. Shiraz, thank you very much.
शिराज साहब ने और हबीब साहब ने कार्ड के बारे में, MCC कार्ड के बारे में खासी डिटेल में आपको बताया है। मुझे तो लगता है ये कोई जादू का कार्ड है, क्योंकि आम कार्ड तो ऐसा हो नहीं सकता जिस पर इतनी फैसिलिटीज़, मुझे तो यकीन नहीं आ रहा। लेकिन मुझे पता है, अभी कुछ देर पहले नदीम सिंधु साहब ने भी मुझे इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बताया था, लेकिन अब डिटेल में पता चला। नदीम सिंधु साहब इस एतबार से बहुत